very peaceful area. Peaceful area, that means there is no any voice of women. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I am Rajesh Saren. I am from India. So today I will show you my village, how to Indian people live in a small villages. As you know that India is a country in Asia continent. So today I will show you my village road conditions and nearest location of my village. So my village is not a good village. Why I say that? Because my village has not good roads. We can say in the backside the condition of road, and I will also show you my house and nearest house of my house. So this time, because I am out of my house, so sorry for that, because my English is very weak, because I am Indian and my mother tongue is Hindi. So my Hindi is strong, and I always talk here in Hindi, and my local language is Santhali, where I belong. There is always speak in Santhali. So my English is very weak, so please try to understand me, and I will show you my village nearest location. So in this time is evening time and the sun is start to set. So let's go. So guys, I am now going to nearest location, because this is the evening time, and because my because my health in some problem. So now I am going to evening walk, because this time is the air is very clean and fresh air I want get it. So let's go, and keep watch this video, and please subscribe my channel, because I will also upload must beautiful scene of my village, my country, and my district all. So guys, let's go. I am going towards nearest location, and in front of me there is a big stone. We can see the stone is very big, and I am going towards it. Hello guys. So the air is a very fresh. What I get. So guys, I am going towards the. Okay guys, don't mind if you are bored, then don't mind, because. So guys, finally I reach my destination where I want to reach. So you can see in backside how is the scene. Oh, what a place! And this is the what you can understand what is this, and reply me in comment what is this. So this time I am sitting on a small valley. That means we can say that also it's a mountain. So there is I get cool air, because India in this time is summer season. Or we know that summer season is how we can feel, how women feel in summer season. So this time I am sitting in this valleys, and there is I get cold air. So don't worry, and I also but at this time I am alone. Nobody with me. So guys, what should I do? I don't know, but this is my first vlog from India. So if want to show my village, if want to visit to my village, so please support me, please subscribe my channel, and I will also what, because my English is very weak. Two time I will say that, because my English is very weak. So what should I do? I can't understand. Because what? Don't worry. let's go another topic. So friends, this time I am sitting in this place, and this place is very peaceful area. Peaceful area, that means there is no any voice of human, because in this place, nearest of this place, nobody live in this nearest place, because the valley is in distance from place, and there is the dreadful place. How? Because in this area the lion and fox and wolves uh, spinning here, because we can say that the place is very dreadful at night, but in not day. And this time is evening time, so I am here at when start to night. I have to go my home, because this is a dreadful place. So guys, I will show you my place. I will show you my place. Hello guys from India. So guys, this is the tree, and I don't know what is the name of this tree, because this is the one type of a small forest. So we can say that I don't know the name of the tree. So so guys so guys so guys so guys I am forget what I want to say. So guys, oh, this is my my country. This is my country, and there is the tree of neem. There is the tree of neem. This is the um, dreadful place, no. Okay. Okay guys, I will meet you in the next. Okay guys, I will meet you in the next blog. So let's go and subscribe my channel, and please support me. And you also found this type of blog in my channel, and please support me and keep subscribe this channel. And I will meet you in the next blog. So guys, bye.